Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. Changing your name on Facebook is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Here's a detailed guide on how to change your name on Facebook. First, log into your Facebook account using your email address or phone number and password. Click the drop-down arrow on the top right-hand corner. You'll see the different options. Step 3. Click on the Settings and Privacy button. On your screen, you will see a button that says Settings. Click on it to edit your profile settings. In the General Settings sections, you will see a list of different fields that you can edit, such as work and education, contact and basic info, and more. Click on the Name section to edit your name. Once you are in the Name section, you can edit your first name, middle name, and last name. You can also add a nickname, a maiden name, or any other name that you want to be known as on Facebook. Make sure that the name you enter is the name that you want to be displayed on Facebook. After you have edited your name, click on the Review Change button to review your changes. Enter your password and tap Save Changes to save your new name on Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name on Facebook. Remember that you can only change your name on Facebook every 60 days. So make sure that the name you choose is the name you want to be known as on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.